YouTube? It's your girl Zaya, and we're back with another freaking video, okay? Welcome to ZMAS, and I believe this is day 6, hopefully. But yeah, I'm currently, if you didn't see my last clip, it is snowing super hard. The roads are super bad. Literally, I am on my way to clinicals, and I kid you not, the clinical site is literally probably like 5 minutes from my house. I left at 6 o'clock. Probably should have left a little earlier just because of the roads, but I left at 6 o'clock. I'm just now getting here, and it's 6:26. Yeah, it took me that long to get here. And yes, my car just didn't want to, stop at no red light. At no stop sign for real. So yeah, but your girl made it. I'm safe. I'm cool. And yeah, we're gonna go in here. I don't know why they wouldn't cancel, because they just don't like us like that. They said if it was a job, then baby, if this was a job, I would have called off. But yet I can't call off because this is school, and y'all talking about $200 if we miss. So baby, I don't have $200 just to be giving y'all. No, $200 stay in my pocket, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna have to sacrifice my life because they don't care. Like, my question is, no, let's not even have to put that in there. Nope, they're not even gonna put that in there. Just gonna forget what I was about to say. Like I said, it's currently 6:27. I'm here until 3 o'clock, unfortunately. But I be loving my job. I be loving my clinicals. But at the same time, the experience and the the people that I'm around don't make it fun. I know once I really be on my own and not in school, it'd be a lot better. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We got 3 more months of this, 3 more freaking months of this, and I pray that this is the last 3 months, because too many setbacks, okay? Too many setbacks, and I can't take no more. But yeah, so let's go. I need to go inside. Clinical start at 6:30, and it's 6:28 now, and I'm sitting in my car. But I just know that I'm not gonna be the only one late, so it's I know. But I made it, y'all. I made it. I'm safe. Thank you, Jesus. Couldn't ask for a better father to keep me safe and protected. I pray that my sister, if you're around any areas that has snow or whatever case may be, I pray that you make it to where you gotta go safely and have a wonderful, blessed day. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye. This is me after freaking clinicals. I'm so irritated. I'm so tired. I'm so ready to go home. Car's freezing. At the end of the day, I had a really good day at clinicals. I guess. Yo. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Anyway, sorry. Yeah. I'll see y'all at the house. Let's go. Okay, I'm finally home. I'm showered. I'm clean. I had to do some homework. I had to get my life together. I look a mess, but it's okay, It's okay, but I'm about to make me a little pizza roll with the help of my mom. She about to tell me. We're making it from scratch, by the way, not just you put in the microwave, you put in the oven. So don't try to play me. It's from scratch.
Should we use marinara sauce or?
Either one doesn't matter because. Okay. We're trying marinara. So we got marinara, Pepperoni. The dough. So I don't really like pepperoni, so I'm gonna make mine just cheese. So mine's is gonna be a cheese dough. And then she has a slicer that she's gonna slice the cheese with. Because my sister decided to not get the already sliced up cheese because she wanted to put people to work. So while she's doing that, can I open it? Isn't it something like twist?
No.
Oh, it's in that one. Now how you open it?
Girl. Don't you read it?
I'm about to right now. Directions. We got some dough. It's like Play-Doh.
Sissy, how yours half is on?
This way?
I guess.
Well, can I get a knife? Or do I just leave it like this?
Hold on. Quit smacking my shit. Damn.
I never made no pizza roll before. So let me not play with mine. Alright. Oh, it's two different things. Can I get a spoon? I'm pouring this.
You talking about grandma?
Oh, really? Mom.
You talking about grandma? I'm doing my own pizza roll.
I thought I was gonna do it. Well, then this one's mine.
Why you... Don't touch my stuff!
I was just trying to be nice and help. Okay, so I'm using this because I don't feel like getting up to get a spoon.
Yeah, because you act like grandma. If grandma would ask him, grandma, you ain't get.
There's a difference. I've been up
What the
all.
fuck is the difference?
I've been up all day. You know what, lady? You cuss too much for me. I go get my own. Hold on. I think I need some more. Cause I wanted mine. My tripod is in the car, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is what mine looks like. Mine's about to be good. I don't know about hers. So cheese. Hey, I need some seasoning too.
Wait, what? Wait, no you don't.
Yes, I do.
No you don't.
Yes, I do. We got some black pepper.
Nah, I'm sorry.
We got some
Nah, I'm sorry.
Italian seasoning. What do you mean, no?
You don't do this.
Yes, I do. I put it on top of my cheese because, yes, I'm doing it a little different.
Girl.
And can you give me the adobo?
No.
No? Okay. I won't add adobo.
Okay, I don't care. You get up and you get it.
Alright, let me...
You was fucking grandma out.
Girl, can you, like,
I can't.
grow up?
No. And don't get no cheese you didn't shred.
Mom. Okay. I don't want that. But I'm a roll mine like a you know, a roll. And she gonna try to roll hers better than mine.
I am not. Where you get that from?
So just FYI, she's gonna try to roll hers better. This is what I got. This is what I got, guys. I feel like I probably should have put some more sauce, but it's okay. Dang, I should have probably put some more cheese too. No, I got enough cheese. All right.
That's not a pizza roll. That's a burrito.
Well, no. That looks like a
Why you hating?
Italian sausage.
What? Italian sausage. I'm gonna be able to cut that in half and eat it like a
I can cut this in half.
stromboli.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. How much? Don't I need some oil?
No.
I need some oil so it don't stick. We need oil.
Girl,
Y'all, look what she did. I don't think we're making pizza rolls here.
what we making?
I don't know. Oil on the top. I don't need all that. See, I gotta flip it. Y'all. Oh my god, I gotta flip it. Wait, cause why am I trying to fall apart? Oh no, honey. Should I put some seasoning on top? Nah, I'm gonna be different. Cause this what mine look like. It's a cheese roll. Don't sleep on it. Did you wrap it up all the way?
Wrap yours how you want to wrap yours.
Nah, cause I don't want it to be flat. So we want it to be puffy. Oh wait, and then you gotta add the slices like that, y'all, like that. Yes, look at that. That's the pepperoni roll. Baby, our food is ready. Okay. Why hers look like this and mine look like this? Hers look good. Look at mine. Hold on. We gotta taste test this. Yours looks so good. She's got the ad. Oh, stuck. Oh, is mine? Oh, you just put it at the top. Mine's not stuck. All right, let's see what this is hitting for. Tell me what yours hitting for. Ooh. Hot! Because don't play with her. I'm just going to taste test it. I don't get it because it's so hot. Like, why are we trying to eat while it's hot?
I don't know her.
You need your cup. Even better. Bro, I can't pick it up. Why is this acting dumb? Okay, there we go. Ooh, ooh. Alright.
Zaya.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie. It's good. Hot. go ahead and eat my food. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. This is good. It's so good. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post. I appreciate you, my heart, so much for watching. If you made it this far, be on the lookout for tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow's gonna look like, but we're still here. We're still rocking. We're still rolling. Peace.